Hey everyone, it's Lissette here and welcome back to another video on my channel. So as you can see, I have gotten a couple of packages in. I got some from Amazon, I have one from AliExpress, and then another package from SHEIN, I think it's called. But we're just gonna jump right into the video, so let's get started. So the first package I have is from Amazon. And this only has 2 items in it, so I ended up getting more swatch sticks. This was a pack of 4, and these were on the cheaper side. I think these were like $8 for all 4 of them. So this ring, I don't really care about the ring because I do put it on my little tea stand holder thing now, so I could care less about this. But the actual swatch sticks itself are pretty good. So I got that, and then I ended up getting some more refill packs for my dust collector, and these came in a pack of 2. The dust collector I have, I'm gonna link everything below, even the dust collector. I don't remember the name of it, but it's been working really well for me. I really like it, so I just needed to get more of these things just to switch out my other one because I had it for so long. Okay, so I'm gonna open this box. So this box, okay. So this, I got this, as you know, if some of you are aware, I do make my own gels and glitter gels. So these are the containers that I use. This is a 7-gram double wall refill plastic jar set of 50. And this is just, I love these little guys. I'm gonna do this quick because I don't want this to be long. Everything from Amazon. Oh, so this has a lot of the goodies. Okay, so the first thing, I have these already and I did use these in multiple videos. I just wanted to get another set because I was running low. So what this comes with is also these, and these are like they're not Malar flakes, but they're just regular little tiny flakes. I don't even know what you would call these things, but yeah, really pretty. I actually like these little containers that they come in. It holds it nicely. So like that. I ended up getting flowers. These flowers are so pretty. I have flowers, and once again, I just wanted to get some more. So what I think I'm going to do, I have enough flowers to make each container a color. Yeah, I do a lot of shopping, so pretty. Another thing I wanted to try was this blooming gel polish from Mia's Secret. I haven't tried this yet, so I'm excited to use it to see what kind of designs I can come up with. And it has no smell. I like to smell everything, but this has no smell, which is good because I hate things that smell weird. Next we have, ooh, this is exciting. I'm like super stoked about this. Let me just get it all out. So these are carving gel. I want to say like paste almost, because you could sculpt it. Okay, so let me do this. So this is perfect for if you want to sculpt flowers on your nail, like 3D flowers. Oh yeah, it's super thick. It kind of feels like clay almost. So you could take it and form it into whatever shape you want. You could use your tool to, shape, and then you cure it in the light, and then it just hardens right on the nail. So I'm excited to try this. And it comes in 12 different colors. That's that. And then I got these. They're called Fiberglass Extensions. So I follow this YouTuber. I'm gonna link her account, but she's used these before. So they're they're like little tiny hairs. And if you wanted to extend your nail, you put a little bit of Builder Gel, and then you would place this at the tip, cure it, and then you build your extension off of this, which is freaking cool. So once again, I'm excited to try this. That's that. That's that. Next package is from AliExpress. Oh my god, so this was supposed to come in my last haul, and this, for some reason, I guess the seller, this came so freaking late. But these are what do you call those things? Pearl chrome powders, I guess you would call it. Okay, so this is the pink. There's very little in the pot, but let me tell you, these little powders go a very long way. I mean, I don't even think I have. Oh, that is nice. That is so nice. Try on this. Ooh, it's like a purple. Can you see that? Oh, yeah, there you go. Now you can see it. And then the white. Okay. Pretty. I like all three of them. Really pretty. I really wish you could see it better. I mean, you could definitely see. Yeah, you can see it. You can see it. Okay, so yeah, this took really long to come, but I like all of them, to be honest. And it's super cheap, so can't really beat it. So this is from the website SHEIN. Probably saying that wrong, but like I said, I will link everything below. Look at that. How do you SHEIN? Anyway, they have some cheap nail art on there. Like, look at this foil. So when I bought this, I really was hoping that these golds or the yellow parts would be a gold, but it's just a regular matte. This is still pretty though, but it's just a regular matte color. This, when I ordered it, it came actually super fast. I thought it was gonna take long, like AliExpress. It came in like actually it was like a week and change, a week and a half. So it wasn't long at all, and it was super cheap. So this was $1. This was $1. And I got same one in blue. Same kind of blue. Oh my god, why did I take it out? I ended up getting this, which is really cute. I needed some of these. This was $3. So I have a lot of foils. I don't have these, so I was excited to get these. Gonna add that. Everybody has those little palette things, so I wanted one. And this is really pretty. It's plastic. It's not glass. What I liked about this, it has like this little rim on the edging. Super pretty. And I like that you can flip it on this side if you want a flat surface. Cool. I like the edging too. Pretty. This was $3 as well, I believe. So really affordable prices, and it comes super fast. So I do check every now and then just to see other stuff that they have, and they do have a good amount of nail art on there. These are just the particular ones that I really wanted to get my hands on because I don't have them. So, and the last thing I got was from Amazon as well, and these guys are, so these are 5-gram containers, and they are a pack of 50, and I did end up getting 3 of these. So I am actually going to do another video showing you guys how I use these. I like to store all of my little embellishments or like my nail sequence in here, and then I put it in my drawer in a certain way. But these are good for organizing your little trinkets and stuff that you have. So yeah. So like I said, I ended up getting 3 of them in the pack. And the last thing I wanted to show you guys, I've already used this, but this is something that I bought. This is Gorilla drawer liners. Obviously I ended up getting pink because I love pink, but this is a great way to line your drawers to make sure anything in your drawers don't slip and slide, they don't move around. So once again, I'm just going to link that. So this is everything that I got off of Amazon, AliExpress, and SHEIN. I really need to learn how to say that. But like I said, I am going to link everything below, so it will be easy for you guys to find it. But as always, thank you everyone for taking the time out to watch this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please make sure you guys are following me on all of my social media accounts, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next one.